Run downstream processing experiments 7 times faster using RoboColumns, a Tecan liquid handler, and Synthace. RoboColumns are pre-packed purification columns that slot directly onto a Tecan liquid handler, which enable fully automated, high-throughput purification. Using Synthace, you can simply map out your purification stages in a simple, readable interface. Synthace automatically translates this into lines of code for your liquid handler and provides an in silico preview before you've even entered the lab. So just set up your robot and press play. When the robot is done, your data will be automatically uploaded back into Synthace and aligned with your experimental design, enabling you to view pseudochromatograms and cherry-pick samples of interest based on your data. Simplifying purification with Synthace.